You filming it?
Yeah. Oscar, you mad bird. He's not going to stop, is he? Oh.
Is it bedtime, Oscar? Is it bedtime? Is it bedtime?
You bed.
Who's in his bed?
Something wrong with this bird, seriously. Oh dear.
Back in circles. That's what I was telling you about before. It's going really quick.
Oscar, what's happened? Oscar, what's happened? Oscar, what's going on? Oh no, you lost control. What
It's like you don't know how to stop it.
Oscar, you're mad. Oh my god. Is that okay? You calming down now? Oh my god.
Well, that's how I was doing this with my hand though. It's like a rocking one.
He's not really sure what to do now, is
No,
he?
he's going backwards and forwards. He knows how to get off it. He jumps to the sides. Good boy.
Yay!